Here we go. Got the judge out again. This time doing the shot on a hog shoulder, mid-size hog. No, this isn't out of a rifle. These are LEVEREVOLUTION rounds. But let's just say you are walking through the trees and this is your little backup for when the pigs decide to come and walk in. And will it be effective on body shots to take them out? So here we go, LEVEREVOLUTION. These are 225 grain, 950 feet per second out the muzzle. Granted, everything's going to be different because this is being shot out of the judge. But here we go. I would say that barely penetrated, to be honest with you. Barely penetrated, maybe. Well, no, we got two. We actually got two jugs. That's a good deal. That is good. It just didn't flop, didn't have the power. All right, went through the shield. Went through the first jug, got the little nipple in there. Yes, we do clean, for those that don't think so. Then we went right on through the second jug. And disturbingly enough, LEVEREVOLUTION round being shot into the shield of a hog. Did not do anything whatsoever. What's claimed to be, I don't know if they claim it to be a hunting round. To be honest with you, they just say it's a pointed bullet for LEVEREVOLUTION lever guns. So I know most people have the feel that since it's called LEVEREVOLUTIon rounds, that would be a hunting load. It actually kind of ticks me off a little bit. I mean, it will penetrate, will go through. It's very disappointing. It will definitely go through. Went into through the shield, through two jugs, out the second jug. And there you are. And there you go. It did not do anything spectacular except penetrate.